Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check in on Jetstar Airways. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in jetstar.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Jetstar if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the deals, flights, holidays, hotels, Club Jetstar, where we fly on menu, and in the top right corner we have your profile. Here of course in the middle of the screen we have an option where you can go and book your flight. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check in on Jetstar Airways. So first of all, click on manage booking and enter booking reference and last name. So click on manage booking, which is here in the top. Then put your of course a reference and last name here. Then select the option to check in online. I don't have any flights at the moment, so I can't show you that, but I will tell you, you can do this 8 hours before your flight departs and up till 40 minutes before departure for domestic flights. Choose how you want to receive your boarding pass, email, mobile, or print, and follow the prompts to complete the check-in process. For international flights, online check-in is open 24 hours before departure and closes 1 hour before departure. If you have checked baggage, you make sure to drop it off at the Jetstar bag drop before it closes. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.